Are people just born being able to do this goal thing better than others? That's a big question. Walter Mischel, who you've probably heard about, the marshmallow test. Mm-hmm. He was a professor up at Columbia, who studied this idea. He was looking within children. Are some kids better able to make a tough choice now for a better future outcome? So you put one marshmallow on a plate in front of them and tell them, hey, don't eat it. Don't eat it. You know, they're like 4 years old. Don't eat it. If you can wait until I come back, you can have 2 marshmallows. And the kid is just sitting there. There's no Legos on their table, right? But they're sitting there seeing this one marshmallow sitting on a plate, and the researcher doesn't really come back. They wait and see how long can the kid hold out before they start doing something, you know? And there's amazing videos of this, right? The kids like pick it up, they lick it, put it back down, right? Start to take a little nibble, trying to see, are they coming back? But the kids there are differences that some kids can do this really challenging task. I mean, most adults can't, right? You tell them like, here's a marshmallow, don't eat it. And you have to just sit and watch it for 10 minutes. And my husband in particular, nope, he done, right? So, so there are individual differences, and you see really cool strategies that kids have created on their own to manage that really tough choice of like, if I could not do this right now, it'll be better for me in the future. That's what goal setting often is, right? Is forgoing a temptation for a better future outcome. Call that self-regulation. And you can see some visual strategies that these kids have developed. So some of them look away, right? Marshmallow's there, and they spend 10 minutes like this, really awkwardly, you know, trying to not see it. Or kids will say like, I just tried to imagine that it wasn't a marshmallow, but a white fluffy cloud. You can't eat clouds, right? And that made it. So they're trying to visualize something different than what's in front of them. Mm-hmm. Other kids would take the plate, put it on top so that they can't see it. And kids that had those strategies were able to wait longer. So yeah, there are individual differences, like, you know, in kids age 3 and 4 years old, and how well they can make those tough self-regulatory choices.